biggest imposition that every family imposes on their children is to go to school, find a job, work, save money, get rid of debts, invest. How to change your life. I wouldn't go to school because you don't learn anything about money in school. I couldn't find a job because if I got a job I would be a worker and then I would have to pay taxes. If I become an employee, I have to pay taxes, save money, borrow money to get rich, and invest in the stock market. I don't do these things and that's why I'm rich. The challenge. Only challenge or question what you have been taught. Old people have defended all their lives that what they are doing is right. I told them they were poor because of that, and they got mad at me. Most people did not defy this hypnosis and went to school, got a job, worked hard, saved money and paid taxes. They did not question these hypnotic trances and could not change. Thanks to the advice of my rich father, I learned to use money. I learned to be a capitalist, not a worker. I don't pay taxes. I borrow money for money. I do not invest in the stock market. You have a chance. Question the situations that hypnotic trances get you into because they keep you poor. Many young people have been brainwashed, but they have a chance to change their minds. You have to change the words in your brain. If you find a job, you are the employee, not the boss. If you save money, you save. Why save when people print money? My rich dad said, "What will you learn about money in school? You can learn to be a doctor or a lawyer, but you can't learn anything about money. Most people should be employees as it is easier for most people." Learning. Most people want a job security, paycheck. You have to be much smarter than that. If you want to be poor, you can go to school, but you can't learn anything about money. My poor dad wanted me to be an airline pilot when I flew for the Navy in Vietnam. Go fly for the airlines, he said. I said no, I can already fly. Why should I spend the rest of my life flying? This is a big challenge. As an entrepreneur, I would have to learn much more than to be a pilot. Being an entrepreneur was right for me because I was really interested in learning. Most people who graduate from school do not succeed in real life because they are not taught the knowledge that will help them survive. Most people do not know what accounting is when they graduate. They don't know how to manage and use money. They just keep records because they aren't taught these things in school. The game. Everyone's game in life is different. My financial game was a company first and real estate second. My advice to young people is to find their own game. You have to learn to use debt and money.